John Gemino, the disaster. We've been looking at your record. It was outstanding. What you're gonna be performing on Beyond Madness ring tomorrow?
Gagawin ko nga po lahat para sa akin laban bukas and I will do my best to my fight tomorrow.
He's telling that he will do his best to finish the fight as early as possible. By the way, a very big terima kasih to Joshua Marcelo, the CEO of Beyond Madness, and also mention the WBA Asia Committee officials, and also a special mention to Mr. Nelson Angona. Ako taho apayang Pisa, Dilakukan, Petinju, Warak, Duwaraku, Di Atas Ring, and I believe in my boxer. Thank you and good luck to the event.
All right, give it up also for Coach Bello. All right, next, Bang Ongen, the Hawk Sakno Siwi. Pertandingan ini sangat fenomenal dan ditunggu oleh halayak pencinta tinju Indonesia dan Asia. Apa yang akan terjadi besok melawan John, the disaster Gemino dari Filipina?
Ya, pertama-tama puji Tuhan, saya sudah dipercayakan lagi buat bermain di Beyond. Persiapan saya dengan tim, dengan pelatih sudah siap dan saya akan memberikan pertarungan terbaik besok dan mohon dukungan doanya dari masyarakat Indonesia. Terima kasih.